Hey guys, this video is on the supportive structures of the knee. So we're looking at the anterior view of the right knee. You've got your quadriceps tendon here. So remember, all four of the quadriceps converge into this one quadriceps tendon, which then houses the patella or the kneecap. And those structures, that structure still continues on down into its distal attachment, the tibial tuberosity. Okay, so the distal attachment for the quad is actually the tibial tuberosity on the front of the tibia. That's going to be your patellar ligament. Think bone to bone. Some people also call it patellar tendon. And people usually call this the quadriceps tendon, but sometimes you'll see those terms used interchangeably. If we pull this off, and on this model we can actually do that, and we flex the knee, you can see lots of stuff in there. We can see the ACL, you can see the PCL, you can see your menisci, and you can see your transverse ligament. Now I'm going to lay it down so that we can look at it. Sorry, I'm doing this by myself, so this is going to be a special video. Whoa! Oh gosh, my dogs of course are barking. You can see this ligament that runs straight across the front. Straight across the front right there. That's that transverse ligament of the knee, which connects. Baby, he's practicing. He's working. So we have menisci right here. That's the cartilage that goes between the condyles of the femur and tibia, and they're connected in the front by the transverse ligament of the knee. This is your anterior cruciate ligament. It's going to prevent anterior displacement of the tibia. And then you can see peeking through the PCL there. So ACL, and that little guy back there is the PCL. So let's get this patellar tendon back where it's supposed to be. Looking at the medial side here, you can see the MCL, medial collateral ligament, also called the tibial collateral ligament. Flip back around to the lateral side. It's your LCL, or your fibular collateral ligament. The dogs only bark when I'm trying to make you guys a video. The menisci here, again from the posterior view. This guy's your PCL. You can see, or posterior cruciate ligament. You can see the anterior cruciate ligament peeking out right here. But then I want you to notice this little branch. It looks like it branches off of the PCL. It goes from the femur down here to the meniscus. That's your posterior meniscofemoral. Let's get the light shining on it a little bit. So we have the PCL coming down to this intercondylar area here on the posterior surface of the tibia. This guy, though, comes to the meniscus. That's the posterior meniscofemoral. All right, and those are your supportive structures for the knee. You would also see a posterior ligament of the head of the fibula here, and you would see one on the front as well that just simply connects the tibia and the fibula. That'd be the anterior ligament of the head of the fibula. Those are never shown on any of the models that I get. So that's missing. That's another supportive structure there. And then you would have interosseous membrane all the way down. All right.